The Audi E-Tron range. What is it? Well, it's Audi's answer to electric vehicles. Unlike petrol or diesel powered cars, electric vehicles use an electric battery powered motor, which means you can travel CO2 free. And you can also recharge in a number of different convenient ways, either at home or whilst you're on the go. And with the e-tron range, you get everything you ever want from an Audi, but with the benefits of electric. Let's start things off with the Q4 E-Tron. This next to me is a Sportback variant, so it benefits from that stylish silhouette coupe look. And the Q4 is expressive, it's ready for everyday use, and it's the perfect companion. It has rapid charging times and can have range of up to 328 miles depending on the trim level. Talking about trim level, this one next to me is the S-Line variant, and it's finished in the striking Mythos black. This is the Audi E-Tron GT. So it's built alongside the legendary Audi R8. It's where attention to detail meets precision and quality. It's just as home on the grid as it is on your driveway. This next to me is the RS version, and it's a carbon Vorsprung, so benefits from some nice little additions, and it's finished in the very vibrant Tango red, so you'll stand out on the road. This also boasts a range of up to 285 miles, and it will certainly put a smile on your face. Next to me is the Q8 E-Tron. It's sleek, sporty and aerodynamic on the outside, yet clever and luxurious on the inside. This example next to me is a Sportback variant, so it has that sporty coupe look within the SUV body thanks to that sloping rear roof design. This is also the black edition, so it has some nice gloss black accents which work well with that ultra blue metallic paintwork. It also boasts some brilliant charging times, and with the Sportback model you can get a range of up to 343 miles. We hope that gives you a better overview about what the Audi e-tron range is all about. For any further information, please head to our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description, but there you can explore all the various trim levels, find out each model's range, and a little bit more about the models too. Furthermore, you can also pop down to one of our Swansway Audi retailers, where one of our friendly sales team will be more than happy to talk you through the e-tron range. Thank you for watching.